117's not really a big break out there on FRSX. This one we traded earlier. We actually lost, but we actually recovered some of the money that we lost, so I'm happy about that. This one, I don't see anything here moving. It just shows these two candles, but this thing really needs to get up there if it wants to make a play. But you never know. This market, anything and everything could come back, and then I want to see it actually come back up here. I do want to make a play. Ride is a stock that I traded. I think I could short it, so that's a good stock to keep an eye on. We have XL. Nice move here. XL, about 60 cents. Let's look at GME. Neo's coming down a bit, as well as is plug. Is that because of the SPY? I want to take a quick look. 3 minutes. Yeah, the SPY is coming down a bit. GameStop here. Looks above VWAP, and I mean, if it wants to rally back, it needs to kind of come up this level for a day trade. Oh, Neo is coming down here. Nice. The SPY is going down, so we want to see this come down all the way to 61.73, and that's where we will potentially take. Well, I would take, not we. I will take a trade going long. So this is a good. Same thing with plug, and let's take a look at AMD. Actually, let's put Neo here. I've been staring at it off here. Sometimes I don't like moving things around. All right, this is a nice. So we have, what is that? That's 6170. Yeah. Wait, why is that? 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Why is that different than this? That's interesting. Oh, I have this 61, 68, which will coincide with this. This is where we want to get in. I'm not sure why this one is giving me a different deviation level. Weird. I'll have to take a look at that because that's not good if I'm looking at different. All right, so AMD looks like it wants to go down, but my level to kind of join in. I want to see it kind of break down here. Plug's coming down a bit. The point is when, and this is something that I've been trying to practice, is when do I come in with long? Because I already missed the move going down, breaking down, which it means shorting. Where do I come in and actually go long? And on this move too, this is could be like a dip buy here because we still have still on an uptrend, right? We're still following this trend line right here. We could draw. So that's a good spot there to kind of take a quick scalp, meaning a quick entry and sell. But ideally, I do want to see this come down. Let's see at the SPY. And then we have this level here, 6203 could be my initial. Could be my initial point. Decisions. Oh, Tesla's also taking a dump. And that's all because of the SPY again. So, question is, where is it going to keep on going down? Sometimes I hope for the 2 shares that I have on Tesla, I do hope that it goes down so that way I could kind of buy lower and maybe hold. Everything else, this is a patient waiting game. So it's coming up, but I still like this level more for the short term. All right, so we'll take a look, keep on looking at this. If there's any opportunity here. Okay, it's coming down a bit, and then we have this right here. So because we only have we have a few upward positions, but the other ones I don't really care about. So we did down a little bit on Tesla there. So we're back at 241. Where can we come back? All right, so looking at the SPY. SPY looks like it wants to rally back up a little bit. Still doesn't mean that these stocks don't have more downside potential. So there's a little bit in here. But it's all a waiting game. This is all a waiting game. This is all it is, being patient and not let our emotions take over. So we control that I control that by reducing my size. At the beginning, when I started trading in the summer, I didn't know what I was doing, so I was going in with too big of a size. And then when a stock would do something like this, where it would just, you think it was going down and then it just rips up, I was freaking out. So that's where your heart rate starts racing, your heartbeat, and you start stressing and getting tight. So right now we're in comfortable position. We exceeded a goal from yesterday. We lost yesterday, but today we exceeded our goal. Gave a bit of money back, so we know that tomorrow we could come back and still do the same process and keep at it. So it's all about being patient, waiting for that right entry, seeing if there's that right opportunity. Sometimes there's a tweet either by the president or something in the government, like last week when they stormed the Capitol, stocks all went down. So that's not good if you're holding a position. But that's for me as a day trader, just want to be in and out of stocks and wait for potential things like that to happen. We have all these things happening currently right now in the government. So anything to trigger stocks to go up and down, or the whole market to go up and down. So you just want to get that edge, find where that edge. So the buy made a little rally back, and that's why we see this push going back. I thought I marked it off. Maybe not. Oh, no, there's not a lot of. Most day traders are done live stream at this point. All right, so even though the SPY just made a little comeback, which is okay, key level right now. So we have a key level. We could remove this one for now. Let's remove that. So at the moment, if we're looking at the moment for Neo, we have this key level right here. 62.65 is the key level for us to say, okay, it failed it once, it had it as support here. So we'll mark it off here. It had it as support and then it cracked, and now it tried to break and it doesn't break, so it's gonna possibly come back to it, maybe go above it a little bit, maybe to this point right here. That's probably where we want to try again and go short on it. So right now it's on a downtrend, and that's expected based on some of the news that has been out there, the offering. So right now we have a 40% drop, but Neo does have that potential to rally back $1.30, $1.50. So that's why we want to see if it does want to come back up here, and that's where we will take. I will take my short position. So now we have that understanding. That could be later this afternoon play. Same similar thing here on AMD. AMD doesn't have a super clear, but there's this level right here is still a key level for me. And then on plug is tricky because in order for me to short it, I would have to expect it to come up, possibly up, yeah, exceed this. And once it exceeds this, then it's still bullish. For me to actually get in, it would have to be at this level to try and see if there is any move there. But I would be hesitant just because this thing has been running like crazy in the past few days. We could see the other day. Look at that. Look at that. So it's overextended right now. So it's bound for a pullback. Look at that. We can't even. I have so many trend lines on this thing. It's just ripped from this point from 36, and now we're at 70. So this thing could keep on running until 100. Who knows? But it's going to eventually come back down, and that'll be. So start coming back down, and one of these days it could come down ugly. So I don't want to buy at the top. If I do buy, it's just for quick scalps. Similar thing I saw with JKS, where it ran and then came down, and now it's consolidating right here. It went from $23 or the high of 27 all the way to almost 100, and now it's at this 54 to 80 range channel. So yeah, this might be still a good buy. Celebrate CCL. There's some news coming. I saw commercials for Carnival. I don't know. I'm not taking a cruise anytime soon, but I think one of the airlines is making earnings this week, and that's something to keep an eye out. Let's go back to 3 minutes, and let's go back to plug. Right there, it came back down a little bit, just like I thought it would. Kind of thought I should have. It's just not too much of a profit gain right there, but that was 43. That's 20 cents. I'm still hoping for this to actually push up here. AMD, it's grinding. but I like this. Lower lows and lower highs, so this could be a high right here. We could potentially take advantage of. I don't like this peak here. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher. 85. Go in with 45. If we can get it. Maybe 82s. This plug coming down. Needle's coming down. I'm waiting for those big moves right now, so it's still in this choppy channels. Not giving us the best opportunity at the moment. Let me quickly look at any other stocks. Intel. Okay, so AMD, we're getting close to that 82 mark. Hopefully, I get a fill, and we'll see what happens. NXP, Nicola ran a little bit, ran today, so there we go. We're filled in on AMD. This one is a quick scalp. If we could get quick $5, I would be happy with that. Jivo was a runner today, and actually came back. And the is coming down. Wimi was the one that we coming back a little bit much. So ROY. That. ROY. This one has a 2 million volume. I don't understand why. This one is coming back. Not that bad. Just all right. CYBX. Wow, that one went all the way to 374 and then back down to 289. So eventually, I would like to get a short account where I could get shorts, pay for shorts. But for now, we'll keep on using the free thinkorswim. Go look at the NCNA, see if it makes a move. Hmm? You're almost finished. Almost finished? Finish when the boys finish school, then I finish. Tesla's coming down. It's at 833 now, so we're down $6 on Tesla. This could be a point where we could add, but I'm still just $3 away from. We are at 836, and Tesla just came down to 832. I want to see it possibly go down further for us to make a move. Again, we're looking at NEO, and again, for NEO, we also want to come down. That would have been a nice entry if we would have taken it. That was about 40 cents if we would have taken it there at the high, but it is what it is. I was hoping for it to come back here, and it could still go up there eventually. So we're looking at AMD. Hopefully we're at $4. So this is probably good enough for me at the moment. That's gonna make up for the Tesla right now that's tanking. I might wait a little bit, see if I could get a little bit more of a down spiral. Plug is coming down, so those are the main watches that I'm looking at. Nothing else is coming on the scans. It could be because it's lunch. Nothing else is moving. Come on, give me that 60, 65 on. It's coming back up. All right. Okay, so here is plug coming in at a level here, 69.77. It touched it and then came right back off. So that could be a potential entry, but there's not much volume in here, so I don't want to play it. 69 seems to be it's still above VWAP, so can still come alive and rally back. So this probably would have been a place to go along on it, but we'll keep on our head. Okay, AMD is coming down again. Hopefully this time we can get 163, 165 maybe. That would be nice. Put an order out there. 166, we're at $5, and that was the plan, that was the goal. That's what we wanted, small size, really very little risk. I don't even think it went red at any point. I could take half, but for now I just take the $5. Okay, Tesla just made a comeback, so Tesla's up. Come on, give me that 66. Just more than I was hoping. There it is. So we just covered $6 on AMD live here, my first live trade on YouTube. All right, so we're back at 651 now. 251. Tesla is making a comeback, so it's actually green now. When it was down almost 6, now it's making a bit of a comeback. So again, we could have added there shares, but it is what it is. This could be the time where it's still quiet. All right, let's take a look at what is trending on Twitter. Is there anything interesting? Sava. Let's talk about Sava. Let's take a look at Sava. This thing rallied from 840s. I'm not sure why my scanner didn't pick this up. Do I have this somewhere here? Let me see. Is it a low float? Is it a low float? Momentum scanner. So I don't see it. Interesting. Anyways, I missed it. It's okay. I make most of my money with more large gap. These stocks here that make these type of move. Ideally, this one I would love to short it. It's a little bit extended here after this third deviation mark that I have. Unless I look at, let me take a quick look. If I look at it here, yeah, the stock is really 985, really extended. But it's heading, it's kind of in resistance here for this prior 1027. It still has a little bit of room to run to like 1027, and that's probably where I would want to get short. 985 also seems to be a good point of starting to enter. Actually, this is the 3 minutes. I want to actually look at. Sorry, this is the wrong. Let me look at this. Where are we? Where are we here? Okay, so actually, yes. So this would possibly be a point of entry here, but it still has some potential. This thing could go all the way up to $12. This might be a good. This one seems interesting. Let me take a quick look at some of the entries here. We have. So yeah, we have some potential. We got 1030 as a potential level, which is about 50 cents. So this one might be a good stock to keep a look at. It's maybe because of what's the news on this? Medical, it's kind of like a medical stock. Alright, so this one is not bad. Here is Neo making a push. Oh, here's Plug. This is exactly what we need to be on lookout. So Plug just went crazy. Why is Plug going crazy? 3 minutes. Oh, Plug just went crazy. It went to a high of 73.90. Alright, so this is why we don't want to short it. Plug just went absolutely nuts. Somebody absolutely nuts. Huge candle. Oh, why did I miss that? Which is crazy. Crazy right there. So 72 is been our key level from pre-market, and this thing can start going. I don't want to short it. I want to short it up here, so this thing can start running. MGM looks interesting. This one looks interesting for like a dip buy. What are we doing here? If it starts basing here at the 72, 71, 94 level, then it has potential to run. And then it has potential, I don't know if it'll get to 78, but it definitely can. Definitely can. The SPY just went crazy. I'm not getting audio notification. That's probably why. So I'll be back. I'll keep on looking at this. This one has some good potential now. one of the things that I am, because of the YouTube videos, I am missing out on my audio. Or am I? I'm not sure. Because I don't think I heard that. What's my audio? Oh, it's coming in. But I don't, or maybe I never marked it. Okay, so this thing could be building here. It could be a building here. We just gotta take a look at. There's some buying there, heavy buying. This thing is going up after pre-market highs, not the all-time highs. Yesterday's, no, that's pre-market high. So, I mean, people are definitely looking at this, and people are definitely in it, and they're going to start buying this stock, potentially. Neo, Tesla's going up. So I kind of like this. Let's start low. Let's see if we can get in here. I should lift my gas. Alright, so we're in. It's a small amount just to see what this thing wants to do. There's a few. Let's see if this thing could come up here. There it is. We're probably going to take half just so that we could kind of gauge what it's trying to do. Alright, it's going down a bit. It's not that bad, but I think this thing has new levels now. This thing has just adding a little bit on the dip scene. If this thing can rally back above 72, that's the goal, would be above 72 and potentially go back up to 73s. But I think 72 was a far reach. But now, who knows? We're in a little bit more. 208, 19. It's almost about. Okay, so Tesla's coming back up a little bit. Let's take a quick look. This is okay. This is not what I was anticipating, but not unexpected either. This is why small size. Remember, I was about to enter with 100, and I was like, nah, I'll take that back. And I think that was the right decision because now we have a lot less stress. Just don't want to worry too much. I mean, let the stock do whatever it wants to do. And if it wants to push up, that's why we've been adding little. Normally I cut my sizes in half and then another half. And if anything, I could cut this share right now in half and only lose $5, right? So we're here. So that's always that's always in my mind where I could say I could cut the trade if it's not working in my favor in half, adjust my size and my average price, and then let it work from there. But I think this thing might want to go back up to 72. This is doing a little dip here, just natural after a big move like that. There it is. Okay. Can it go? Can it go? That's what 219. I will, but we're just not patient enough. Let's zoom in here and see if we could take in some profits. Just at 78. So let's put at 73. See if we could just reduce our position and our risk. Still like this. Now we gotta stand up, stretch out. All right, so Saba made that dip, and it might feel like it's rallying. I just don't. Can I trust it? That's the question. Trying to get in. Let's see if we could get in with 45 shares. We're at 261 now. Okay, so yep, stocks are coming back. We sold a little bit. Yep, so we got to, what was it, 73, I think. Okay, so we just reduce our size. It's always good. Couldn't get in on Saba, which was a bummer, but hey, cancel that. And if it wants to rally, and I want to see it go above here. All right, come on, Plug. Are you going to go down or are you going to go up? Tesla's going up. Neil, not sure what Neil wants to do. Come on, can we get? That just looks so weird to me. But it spiked the stock. Question is, can it rally back? Can it rally back above 72s? But right now, I mean, moment of truth. Drops, goes, drops, goes, drops. Not making it. It's not making it. $70.90 would be my point of. It's hard to say if I want to add or cut it. I might want to cut it in half or something. $28, $7. Add a little bit there. Alright, so we tried. It doesn't seem like it's pushing. It's not done. I mean, this is not by any means, not yet at least. I'm probably gonna stick with it, and that's the 790 point that I was talking about. Let's see if it holds that level. Okay, so it push off of it, just like I thought. Okay, so that's still some of that. I'm just gonna sell a little bit there. See if it. It's coming back. So a little bit more there, just reduce our position just to make sure. Because right now we're at 234, so we lost a little bit. The trade's not really going our way, so the best thing to do would be to kind of start cutting the shares, reducing our size, seeing if the stock still wants to rally. But again, that was a good level there. It peaked a little bit lower and then it bounced right back off. So that would have been the better entry. But let's see if it wants to go. I'm trying to get this sell order at 719 and it's not trying to. It's not getting it. It's not getting there. Um, so the question is, will it hold the 790? Tesla's going a little bit down. Why is not going down? Next. Too far down. Still want to see that it holds this level, which is still is. See if it could push off. Come on, come on. You're up there. You're almost there. Yes, yes. There it is. There it is. So this is the right thing to do at the moment. The trade's not going our way, so we want to make sure that we protect. If we are going to be wrong, we're just going to reduce our risk. And if we are right, then we just gave back a little bit. But this thing, we could add more if this thing starts basing here, or if it goes higher, then we could add. But that was the correct move there. Now we can let the trade work a lot more freely. We did give back some profit, but that just comes with making money. So we got 57, 71, 57. So we're 70, 18, 71, 18. So this thing could go up 57. Wait, we just reduce our size a lot. 70, 92. Okay, so actually, I'm still liking this. Should have had it there. Alright, so Tesla at a key level now. For me, hopefully. Still think Plug has upside potential. I'm selling there. 22s. And rally back. And Saba is still at kind of like Saba as well. This one has potential to curl. It's holding the VWAP here, so this could be a play to go long. Get higher. Alright, so this one's going a little bit down, but we're okay. We kind of like this. I'm gonna buy the eyes. We got 86. Here, 85. There it is. It's going up. Let's see if we can get a bit. I want to reduce the size. Not that it just went up. Or it's trying to go up. If we could get 809. There it is. Let's try to join the ask. Okay. Alright, so what we did there was we took some profits and reduced our share size and our average price as well. So I think we're now back to the same level that we were before. Actually, we're at 238, 239, so not bad. I did want to do that just so that I have a little bit more peace of mind if this thing does want to go up. My share size is smaller, still gaining some profits here, and now I can let this trade. So half will be 11. I'll probably want to start saving 6 share at a time. If it does get back to 53, I want to take off a few shares there. So that 790, give or take 20 cents, was a very good key level. For the time being, not ever. Alright, so we're about to get see if we could push to 50s. Up there. Or should I take all of it and run with it? Alright, 244. I want to give this some chance to rally back. You don't want to get short since we're expecting that pop up. Maybe we're not gonna get it, but we'll be okay. I'm gonna join here a little bit more. A little bit there. Maybe take this off all at 24-ish. 119. 4, I think. Yeah, 12. 15, 25. getting a little bit impatient with this trade. Still holding this 70, 90 level. I'm going to add a bit here. Here's the pop-up. Gives another push. Probably going to take all of it out. There's Saba making a little bit of a rally. Oh, don't trick me like that. Alright, so I took a lot more there. Just having a hard time getting past 7150 or 7130, I think was 45, and now it's going back down. So at this point, I'm going to cancel all of it and flatten it out at a convenient point here at 25. Let's see. 23. Oh, this is where it could be interesting. Can we get 32s? See if we can get 32s, and I'll be okay with that. Looks like it wants to. It wants to. There it did. There it did. Alright, so now it's probably going to push higher. Alright, so not the best winning trade. I don't think we won anything. We just learned that experience. But is having a hard trouble getting past it. So we want to see this go above here again and still keep on basing here. And then we can see more upside potential. For now, if it wants to break down, and we also welcome that, right? We take both ways. I don't mind. Down, below. So now it wants to get above 50s. So we might want to short it. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not yet. Tesla's making a push. So we're back at 250. Nothing crazy. Wish was a little bit taller. So we can't get that 300. So it's 125 and all right. So Neo's coming down. Oh, Tesla. Am I about to take you off? Just don't trust Tesla, man. I just don't want to give any profit back. I'm just gonna flatten it out now. I just don't trust Tesla. I mean, if it wants to go down, it could go down. Oh, there is the sell-offs again. This is the point that we were waiting for. Let's look at the SPY. SPY's not coming down. So this looks like something that just is Neo related, and we want to get in. See if we can get 63. We're gonna 63. I want to start small though. Just don't know what. Let's just join in here a little bit and see. Where's the pullback? We're pretty close, so just past our level. Just past our level. So disappointing. Need to join the ask. There it is, coming back down. SPY's coming down a little bit. Let's see if we could get a further push down. Can we just 72, 69s? We're gonna be patient and wait for it. I actually like Sawa here doing this push. I kind of like this. I'm gonna buy there. Pulling that held VWAP very nicely, so we're expecting it to push higher to 79. We should have bought more dips. Like that. This could be one of those that break out. So we're trying to anticipate that move. 75-ish. What is that? 990s. See if it wants to do that. And here is a plug coming back down again. Alright, now it's going down. Let's see if it gives us a better entry. Buy here a little bit. We're actually hoping for Neo to come down a little bit more. If it comes down a little bit more, it will be, and we could add a little bit more, maybe 15 more, or 7. I don't know. I want to do it slowly. All right, come on, push, push. There it is. Maybe you don't want to add. Oh, the rake. How to do it? No, you want to. That's pretty good. 1020 would be the goal. Right there, 1025. That's where people are lining up to sell. You can see it here. Sell orders there, ready to go. Here is the dip. This is the dip that we wanted. We'll buy here. See if it dips a little bit more. So eventually it got to our level. Maybe we'll add a little bit more. So we got 70. There's 80s on 980s on Sava SAVA. Can we get? Probably want to sell here at 1006. Maybe I don't want it. Oh, maybe I do want to join for the breakout. Oh, we'll hold. Looks like there's volume, but it's not moving. A little bit of dip. See if it still wants to go. So plug is it's having trouble. It's in this channel right now. So Was that a fake out? No, not yet. I don't think so. 56 will be a point of adding if I do wanna. Oh, there's Neo coming down a little bit. We don't want to come down too much. All right, so adding a little bit and a Neo at a time, hoping for a reversal. And we're hoping for Saba to break high of days. Let's put AMD over here. Come on, there it is. Come on, there it is. Come on, there it is. Okay, can we get 80s, 85s? Can we keep on going? Almost with it here. Doesn't want to. Big ones on the ask. We could potentially sell some. Oh, there's 81s. Nice. Alright, can we get above here on Neo? Can we start building on Neo? Alright, so there it is. There's the break on, and there is the join that I added more. Let's see if it goes above 10. There it is. There's the 10s. There it is. We just sold some there, so we're at 74. We want to sell more. Actually want to join the ask here at 15 or 14. Yeah, sell some more there. Okay, so we're up 30 something dollars on Stava. We're probably gonna let this run, see if it wants to go higher. Very nice. There is a little bit more. Can it get past? Can it get 30s, 26s? 17? Can we get 20s? I want to cut it in half here. Get 22s. There's want to reduce Neo just in case, protect our profits here, and Sava wants to go a little bit higher, so let's see if it does. Otherwise maybe we'll cancel one of these orders. 27. Oh, there it is. Did it sell? It did. Nice. Okay, So we'll flatten it out there, and that was a nice $38 trade. So we're really excited about that one. So we're back at 295, and that actually almost got us to the 300 mark. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Now we're in Neo. Can Neo do a rally? Not sure if Neo could do a rally. It does have. It could potentially go to 61.99 before it reverses. If it there's solid coming down a little bit, doesn't mean it will drop. It just means that it's coming down. All right. So really excited with that solid play. And luckily, I was paying attention to my Twitter. Otherwise, I wouldn't have seen it. But once I saw that pattern, I saw the ABCD right pattern, which is like that. That's the A, the B, A, B, C, and then the D will be the extension. We were able to get here, knowing that our risk would be here, but the potential was 10.20. This line right here that we have, and it actually broke it, so super excited about that one. That was a good one. So we were able to recover, and now we're at 300. Pretty nice. All right, let's see if Neo can provide us. We're pretty half of Neo, just because. I'll make sure. Actually, let's find this one out. I'm not too sure about Neo where it wants to go from here. Still has potential to go all the way down to this point, and not too much upside. So we want to make sure that we're not just trading because we want to. We're just $10 away from $300. We want to make sure that we are protecting our profits. There's Sawa going now past 1040s. There's Plug doing one of its craziness. That's exactly what we wanted. It's just heading to all this resistance right here, but let's see if I don't want to give anything back. So again, that's been a key level right there. If we would hold, we would have made good money, but it's what it is. Let's see if it wants to rally. Nice, I like that. That was nice. I don't want to be. What else? Sava, I'm pretty much done with it. I mean, it's going higher now. It's gonna probably be a runner, but it is what it is, man. Like, trade a plan. What if it would have dropped like a rock? Crazy. 9% move. 10% move. Like, it's crazy. Alright, moving on. What else we have? Anything else trying to make a move? CGN. CGN is not bad. 64 million GVO, then GVO come back down. It came back down a bit. Gotta be careful with plug right now. Plug. I do want to short it. I'll wait for it to come back up here. But if it wants to kind of base here, it's been level right here. 72 level. E level. Airbnb, Queen. But I really like this one. I mean, you have too much size in it, but it was perfect. Now I can't really get in it. I don't know what's gonna do, but 60, geez, 30 cents, not that much. I was gonna take profit either way, so it's not gonna. It rips $2. That's when I would have been like, sold too early. I sold too early. So there's Neo coming back to this. We want to see it come back up here. What is that? Nothing for Neo. Neo, I've seen Neo go much higher on a retracement. Like once it drops and retraces, it could go right up. Mm-hmm. What? We want to be careful here with Neo. tweet notifications. So there's Neo coming down. Now the question is it's holding? It's gonna be. Looks like it's holding that level. Same thing here. It's still resisting. Have finding resistance at the 72 level. But we've seen it where it just jumps up, just spikes. Saw doing a dip. Not interested in been like an entry there, but too stressful. We really want to see a clear opportunity here. So we want to see it go up. Tesla holding that 838, 880, whatever, what is that? 886 level, still holding it. It doesn't go down. All right. How can we get more people to join the stream? Maybe from Twitter. Twitter. Let's see. And Kyrie showed now his retirement. Alright, we want to share this on Twitter. Finally, Tesla going up now. That be a Sultan have it on CCIV. CCIV is curling a little bit here. Churchill Capital. So I can't short it. There's Neo going up to might have potential, but not. There's that push. You actually want to see it push higher. Potentially 62.26 above. Here is having a hard time, but alright, there is a push for Neo. That's exactly what we wanted. and a drop for plug. That's a rally that we wanted. There's plug coming down a bit, but I don't know if it's a buy. That's a big drop right there. I'll let him go now. Let's see. I'm trimming it here a bit. Wow, that was a big 10-point rally for Tesla. It's think. Oh, I think I was here. I don't know. This popping. This is popping. Hey. Alright, so Tesla just went super high. What else we have? Tesla just, what's the SPY doing? SPY's going high. 219. So a little bit too early. RSX. You traded. I missed this. Alright, so there's plug going down. This sign of still not. Alright, what other stocks we have looking at? Let's look at this. Kind of bullish. No, let's look at Grubs. Missed that. Just fine. We don't see anything. So I'm at 297. That's fine. No, never mind. Some weakness here. awesome. Actually, write this for the curl. All right. It's a weird one. Alright, so we need to back. Okay, so this is holding. Can't hit. Took it out on it. Check it out. Check it out on that one. No, don't feel like that would have been that was a nice variation. Why this one is yeah, I think it's fully mark. Alright, so roster. He was down close to $60,000 in the past 2 days. So still, it's all relative. Where can I get people? YouTube, I can get people in. Oh, YouTube. So FRSX, it's wow. And we had this level here. I just wasn't. I was hesitant. I don't want to give any profit back, so I was hesitant to join in. But I would have been $1 profit. But I was still looking at Neo and Plug. I need to see if those provide any opportunity here. Baba chicken out as well, lost $4, but I'm up almost $300 of the day, and I'm really excited about that. Looking at what other people are watching, Neo, there it is. Neo is going down, so we also chickened out on Neo. Neo always has sometimes it reverses. Just was chicken out right there, but there it is. It's coming down now again. Let's see what we have. Tesla's coming down a bit, so maybe the SPY's coming down. Take a look. Yep, the SPY's coming down. So a few stocks might be taking a hit. FRSX, I'm looking at it, but I don't think I have a opportunity on that. So there's Neo. I'm not sure if we have people watching us. This is our first live stream. Hopefully we could do this every day after the market. Maybe after the market opens around 10:30 or 11 o'clock when it quiets down as far as internet speed and stuff like that. Thinkorswim has been having issues lately. Maybe these older people, day trading or trading in general. Let's see what this last hour and 15 minutes. What do we have? Have a look. Could be a small entry here. Hold the door, Loki. Okay. Thank you. Alright, plug is tightening here, so Papi? Another one, Jacob? What? No. When you eat something. Alright, so we're taking a look at Neo, Plug. Those are the main watches. Tesla made $58, but hey, Leco GTI, thank you for joining. Make sure to hit the like. This is my first live stream. I'm going to hopefully do a few more of these. Tesla unfortunately ripped all the way up to 855, and I sold too early, but I'm happy to make $58. So I'm up about $300 on the day. Let's take a look. And our 290 was up 450 at one point, and because of my size, I need to make sure I watch my size. So I think I've been very good at managing my size, and I smashed my goal of 200 or 150 plus. I'm really excited about that. Tomorrow, hopefully, we could surpass 300 or at least maintain 300 or 200. That would be ideal. We took a little trade on Baba, but stopped out. We chickened out. I'm not familiar with the stock, but I could have made money if I would have hold it. But now, actually, it's moved, so it's a little bit outside my range. All right, so let's see what else we have. Let's take some of the scans that I have here. What is this new one popping up? Stella. I want to see if I could get back into Neo. Looking good here. Potential. What is this candle about to finish? Or it just started. 51 in 2 minutes. Might want to join here on the short side. Let me know if you're still watching. Let me know how is the quality of the video. So here we have plug making a push here higher. It's about 3 p.m. so it might be power hour. There is FRSX, another also doing a push. Oh, this is a nice push right here for. Let's join in over here at the fun. See what happens. It's a nice push. We could take a quick scalp right there. Very nice right there. We just took a. We are now. Yeah, so it's a $10 profit. That's not bad. Kind of like it. On that quick push, 72 area seems to be resistance so far for plug. There's my computer chugging along. That's because probably is good for me. Thanks for letting me know. What are you trading? Are you a day trader, swing trader? What are you doing today? I still think plug might push higher, so I want to be careful with plug. Neo, it's more on a downtrend, so Neo might be the opportunity. But I like that push. So that whenever there's a quick push like that, I like to go in. Small size, obviously. Take that $5 for me. Let's see what else people are looking at. Salva. What happened to Salva? I had a nice trade on Salva. It went higher, but I'm okay with that. This thing went to 1220. Oh, I took it for the break here at 990s, and I sold onto the resistance level of 1027. That was like the prior resistance, and I can't believe it went to $12, which was expected. There's another break here, but I'm okay. I'm okay with making $40, $38 with small size. There's a dip there. I'm not sure. I want to join that. So here's Neo. I'm not sure if Neo can have. I'm a day trader. Apologies for the late reply, but I'm also day trading. No worries. No worries. Hopefully you're making money, which is what matters. There it is. Always going higher. Here is plug, and we get RSX is doing a dip, coming down to that 733 level. Let's see if it holds it. seems to be holding it so far. All right. So I want to get in here on Neo. All right, so yeah, FRSX held that 733 level. It's going. Don't know if it's going to hold it much longer. Hesitant into going into that trade. Just so extended. I mean, you always go in with small size, but there is Neo coming down. I should have taken that trade, but oh well. Plug also. What else we have? 198 million on Zella. Intel. Intel was a good trade earlier. Long at the beginning, but nothing much of that. Here's plug coming down a bit. Went down. Whatever. Remember. There's FRSX coming down a little bit. Not sure if it has. Nicola went down. Gainers. GameStop. Not for me. Stava making held at 1184 and now it's at 1220, 1230. Looks like it wants to go. It has room to about 1250 so far on. Yeah, there it is. It's almost going. That's 1250s. Should have gotten in. Should have gotten in. But I'm good. I'm good so far. Tomorrow's another day. We're up $300. After losing 300 yesterday, I'm actually excited to be up 300. Could have been up 500, 550. Oh well. We got some time, so we'll wait to see if we can add a quick buck here or there. want to get in on Saba. Dip 17s. 1217, I might get in on Saba. SAVA. For the push. I missed the opportunity there, I think. That's okay. Alright, so FRSX is coming alive a little bit here. Looks interesting. Let's see if we can get into this right here. Looking at FRSX. Let's see. Small. This one is really small. Just quick. If I could get $2 or $3, I'm fine with that. Just want to see what exactly does. Wow. Over here. I'm not sure if I traded. Dip down. So I was dipping down. Still might be 1167 would be to interest me. Here we go. Here we go. Can we break the highs? I'm going to join ask there just so that I could take some profits. I'll plan it out. Go back to the scanners. What is going on now? What are we looking at? Let's take a look here. So Plug has been having issues with the 72 level. All right, so what does FR does X wants to do? What do, all right, so Plug is still trying to indecisive as far as that 72 level, what it wants to break it. So we're still watching it, seeing what it wants to do. I know it follows the SPY, but sometimes the SPY is like is dipping, and well, it's following it a little bit, but not enough convincingly. So, in my opinion, who knows? So yeah, I guess some stocks are coming down with the SPY. That JMIA dropped. Just saw that dropping. Okay, so they're dropping a little bit. 775. If you're new to the live stream, this is my first live stream. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm up $300 today, and hopefully we can sustain this. And I'm going to be documenting it for informational purposes, entertainment purposes. Man, Tesla, why wouldn't you know? Why not notify me if you're gonna keep on going up? So we have this 70-90 level that we also were watching earlier. I want to see if Kind of holds it. It's been holding it. Rally back.水晶 Geo tanked. Salva's looking like it's curling down. So I wouldn't want to get in. Alright, so we are patiently watching QLGN. Get out QLGN. Fuck, it's just not done. Alright, Neil's building a tight channel. What is it? A core. Acorn. Popping. Nah. Nothing's doing anything. I was hoping for a little bit more action. This is a quiet time right now. Everything is like in suspense mode. CCIV, broke highs, but nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy. I mean, the M is trying, but it's not. I don't know. I'm not sure. A. Down a little bit. All right, closing down on the day. Let me look at my stocks. Plug 138 million volume Neo on 4. The two main watches that I've been watching. Baba. Down. Carnival Cruise Line. Yes. Went from 350 to 384. Definitely need to get trading on Zoom. Jeez, what is that? $30? Man, even if I get five, I gotta start trading Zoom. Look at Zoom. Holding above. That's for tomorrow. Looking good. Okay. And the people are talking about it, but okay, yes. Hold on. That's good. Get going. It's taking too long to do it though. Little push here. All right, there's Nia doing a little bit push at 62.40. I'm joining with Tesla and possibly the SPY. Let me see. No, the SPY looks like it's going down. Come on, come on. Anything, anything, anything now. AMD coming down a bit. Alright guys, I'm going to be ending the stream here shortly. Nothing is really going off at the moment, and I'm going to go upstairs and help my wife. I'm going to be taking a quick look at a few stocks, but AMD is coming down to this 91.73 level. Might be a good entry, but for the most part, might have to wait for the last 15 minutes in order to get some sort of play going on here. And it came down a little bit there. We'll see if it gives us an entry. But anyways, I'm going to be live streaming more frequently, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Give a likes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more content.